How to cure constipation naturally. Constipation is said to be a common problem for thousands of people all over the world. People make such efforts to get rid of constipation, but sometimes it can be difficult. The people who have chronic constipation are much eager to find a perfect and permanent solution. Constipation means that hard and dry stools are passing with high pressure. Constipation also includes a heavy abdomen, stomachache, dizziness, headache, stress, mouth ulcer, and acidity. Poor eating habits, drinking less water, pregnancy, less physical activity, depression, and any disease can be responsible for constipation. Constipation symptoms: less than 3 bowel movements per week, difficulty or extreme effort to pass stool, hard or lumpy stools, abdominal discomfort or bloating, feeling of incomplete evacuation, the sensation of obstruction in the anorectal area. How to cure constipation. Let's take a closer look at the 10 best remedies and treatments for constipation. Lime. Lime is a perfect remedy that reduces constipation and digestive issues. You can have lemons at your home, and they do not increase the taste of the food but also have many health benefits. Lemon includes vitamin C and anti-inflammatory properties, which help clean the bowel system and push up the dry and hard stool. How to use. Take a fresh lime, cut this and squeeze in half glass of lukewarm water. You can also add some salt and a few drops of organic honey for a better result. Drink this excellent remedy in the morning time. It would be better to drink it on an empty stomach. You can also drink this in the evening time. The second option is to take 2 or 3 tablespoons of lime juice, add some rock salt, and take this twice a day. You will get positive results soon. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water in a day can solve many health issues in a few days. Water helps to keep you hydrated and flush out all the toxins and waste material from the body. According to science, a healthy person must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. Drinking enough water makes your digestive system healthy and reduces chronic constipation, reduces acidity, and relieves stress as well. Drinking water is an ancient remedy for several diseases. Figs. Figs are a rich source of high fibers, which work as a natural laxative. Figs have an anti-inflammatory property, which reduces the heaviness and acidity that causes constipation. You can use dried and fresh figs to relieve constipation. If you find fresh figs, then eat them directly without removing the skin because the skin has many essential components that can improve bowel management and the digestive system. How to use. Soak 3 to 4 almonds and 2 figs in 1 cup of water for 4 to 5 hours. Peel off the skin of almonds and make a paste of both ingredients. Eat this paste with some honey or as it is at night. You can directly eat almonds and figs in the morning time, on an empty stomach. Repeat this remedy once a day. Castor oil. How to cure constipation with castor oil. Castor oil is highly beneficial for improving the bowel system and reducing chronic constipation. It is a natural method for constipation and cleaning the intestine properly. Castor oil contains amino acids, fatty acids, anti-inflammatory and rich in antioxidants, which help several stomach disorders and other health issues. How to use. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons of castor oil and directly swallow this, or you can also add some juice or some milk in castor oil, then take this once a day. Please do not repeat this remedy again and again because it can be harmful. Honey. Organic and raw honey is said to be a panacea for treating several health and beauty issues. Honey also has an anti-inflammatory component, which reduces constipation in a few days, and its laxative quality makes things movable. How to use. Take 2 tablespoons of honey, mix it into a half glass of warm water, add some lime juice, and drink this water twice a day. You can directly have honey twice a day. You can also mix some honey with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and some water and take this once a day. For better results, drink this before a meal. Dried plums. Dried plums or prunes are rich sources of fiber. The use of prunes makes your digestive system healthy and expels the waste material easily and quickly. Prunes are known for killing constipation, and the people who want a quick and perfect solution for constipation must eat prunes regularly. How to use. You can have 2 or 3 plums or prunes daily, or you can add 3 to 4 prunes in some warm milk and blend it well and drink this at night before sleeping. Repeat this remedy once a day.